Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can send any file on the Messenger application. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the file manager in your mobile phone and here you will see document options. Click on it. For example, I want to send this document, so I will hold it and you will see the options are here, and then move it and you will see the options of more, and here you will see messenger options. Click on it and then you can search here that person on which you want to send. So for example, I want to send this person, so I will click on it, send options. So in this way you can send any file on the messenger application. When I will go back, so I will open the messenger application. When I will open the messenger applications, you can see this document has been sent. So in this way you can send any document or file on the messenger application. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.